So we'll begin our class by chanting Omkaram 3 times. So may I request you all to join your hands, close your eyes, and chant Omkaram 3 times. Pranjal can join me. Sai Ram, I welcome you once again to this class. Okay, so we have covered this chapter. Today we'll have a quick revision, right? And if you want to ask any question, you can ask me. So right now, let me present my screen. Okay, so straight away, let me come to Tata classes. Yes, Pranjal, what can you see? Sairam, Pranjal,
सर अभी कुछ नहीं दिख रहा। सर अब दिख रहा है।
हाँ क्या दिख
सर
रहा है?
डाटा क्लासेस
Tata classes, good. So as I told you, we have done
चैप्टर
that. We
4
have completed that. So let us begin with the physical properties of metals, right? So let us see this. It is taking time. Oh, that I cannot. Physical properties, and ductile, tools, metals and non-metals. Yeah. Okay, beta. If sound is not there, you will tell me.
यस सर
Metals such as iron, copper, and gold have distinct traits.
Okay, beta. Is it audible?
यस सर यस
Okay,
सर
good.
यस सर
है ना? Enjoy
that
this
help us to
first.
distinguish them from non-metal, such as carbon, sulfur, and oxygen. At room temperature, almost all metals can be found in a solid form. Two exceptions to this are mercury and gallium.
Remember, beta. Gallium is also, it is not liquid at room temperature, but when you will take gallium in your palm, at your palm, it will melt. Pranjal, okay, beta.
यस सर
Mercury is liquid,
यस सर
है ना? But gallium, it is solid, but it has very low melting point. The moment you will put on your palm, it will melt. पिघल जाएगा आपके पाम की, अपनी जो पाम की गर्मी है ना, उससे पिघल जाएगा गैलियम आपका. Okay.
They are liquids
यस
at room temperature.
ओके
Non-metals can appear in a variety of forms at room temperature. They may be solid, such as sulfur, a
Liquid,
liquid, such as bromine,
bromine.
or gaseous forms. Metals will usually have a shiny appearance with a surface that reflects light. This property is known as luster.
Metallic luster.
Non-metals such as carbon may be reflective, but they generally do not have luster. Metals are malleable, meaning they can be hammered
है ना बेटा? You can see,
and even
है ना? See the video also, है ना?
यस
It
सर
is, it is being explained in a very nice way. That's why.
pressed into thin sheets known as foils. Non-metals are less malleable and are more brittle.
See, it breaks into pieces.
Metals are ductile,
Ductility, wires can be
meaning they
drawn.
can be drawn into wires. Non-metals are not ductile. Most metals are hard. Exception include sodium and potassium, which are soft and can be cut with a knife.
With a knife.
All metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. All metals usually don't conduct electricity very well. Metals are usually heavy and have a higher density than non-metals, causing them to sink in water. Solid nonmetals such as carbon are, relatively speaking, lighter
Good.
and have a low density. Summary: most metals are solid at room temperature. Metals are lustrous, malleable, and good conductors of heat and electricity. Nonmetals can exist in solid, liquid, or gaseous forms.
Okay. Now let us go to chemical properties of metals quickly. Okay. What are the different chemical properties? Chemical properties in this one. Let us learn first about reaction of metals and non-metals reactivity series with oxygen first. Okay. Reaction of metals and non-metals with oxygen.
Have you ever wondered why silver items look dull when exposed to air over a period of time?
Sir, it is not audible.
That aluminum vessels
Yes, beta. Not audible. Pranjal.
No, sir. Sir, audible.
Audible it was, na? Again, see.
also gradually lose their bright metallic luster? Metals like silver and aluminum react with oxygen to form metal oxides.
Okay, beta, we have done. We have
Have you
studied.
ever seen red hot burning coal?
Yes, sir.
Coal, burning coal,
When you burn
flames,
carbon, a non-metal, in the presence of atmospheric oxygen,
oxygen.
it releases a gaseous, non-metallic oxide.
Okay, so metals form metal oxides and non-metals forms non-metallic oxides or non-metal oxide.
Non-metal oxide.
Let us go ahead.
The activity of different metals differs, and so do their reactions with oxygen. Take the metal to view its reaction with oxygen.
Okay, now see how sodium reacts with oxygen.
Sodium is a highly reactive metal. However, its reaction with oxygen at room temperature is rather slow. Sodium, when heated, burns with a bright yellowish orange flame.
Yellow flame. Yellowish orange flame it gives. If you collect the gas,
Insert the burning sodium in a gas jar containing oxygen for a while. Sodium burns more brightly, releasing a lot of heat, leaving behind a white hygroscopic powder of sodium oxide.
sodium oxide. Okay, beta. When sodium is burnt in oxygen, it forms sodium oxide. And what is the formula of sodium oxide? Ranjal?
Sir, Na2O.
Na2O. Na2O. ये सब याद करना है बेटा, है ना? It's good for us. Sodium oxide, Na2O.
Yes, sir.
Valency of oxygen is 2 and valency of sodium is 1. That's the formula is Na2O. Okay? So sodium oxide.
Na2O.
Yeah, now let us go ahead.
Like metals, the reactivities of non-metals also vary. Take the non-metal to view its reaction with
है
oxygen.
ना? Let us see with which one? Tell me. Ranjal, carbon, sulfur or red phosphorus?
Sir, red
Red
phosphorus.
phosphorus. Okay, red phosphorus. See. Red phosphorus.
When red phosphorus is heated in a dehydrating spoon
And
and
in
added
the
to
jar,
the oxygen gas jar,
we are having oxygen
it
inside that.
instantly reacts with atmospheric oxygen and produces white fume. These white vapors eventually fall down like flakes of snow and form a highly hygroscopic powder of phosphorus
Phosphorus
pentoxide.
pentoxide. 2 molecule actually. P2O5.
Be careful while handling red phosphorus as it forms
Should be
toxic
careful.
fumes when in contact with air.
Okay, beta. Now let me come to my PPT. So just see today's date. Can you see the PPT, beta?
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And now, can you see the PPT? Pranjal?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you see, today let me talk about which was left in the last class, aqua regia. Have you heard the name aqua regia?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
We know that
Yes, sir.
metals like gold, silver, these are noble metals. They do not react with acids, but there is a mixture of two acids called aqua regia. In Hindi, we call it Amla Raj. Okay, it is a mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid in a ratio of 3:1 by volume. So 3 volume of concentrated hydrochloric acid and 1 volume of concentrated nitric acid, it makes aqua regia. And in this mixture, in this acid, gold dissolves. सोचो, समझ रहे बेटा, इसलिए इसका नाम है अम्लराज, aqua regia. So many times what happens when you go to a goldsmith to clean your gold jewelry, the jeweler can put it in a mixture of aqua regia and he will take it out. And then and there your jewelry will start shining brightly because its one layer is gone and together with that a small amount of gold is also gone. And he will recover that gold from that mixture, but you will be having a loss, slightly less weight of your jewelry will be taking place. So be careful, and whenever someone offers you like that, right, for cleaning purpose we should not put gold jewelries in aqua regia. Only in any other acid you can put, in dilute HCl, dilute HCl4, because it will not react, nothing will happen to your gold jewelry. Only the dirt and all those oxide layer which might have developed on that will be, जो dirt होगी, गंदगी होगी, वो सब acid में dissolve होकर खत्म हो जाएगा and your jewelry will start shining. Okay beta, so there is no need to treat your jewelry by aqua regia. Okay beta, now let us know more about reactivity series
Yes.
and displacement
Yes, sir.
reactions. Right, actually कई बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम आती है how to memorize this reactivity series. We know that metals have been arranged in the order of their decreasing reactivity, and which is called reactivity series or activity series. And this is the whole series beta: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, nickel, tin, lead, and hydrogen non-metal. To compare all those metals which are below hydrogen, they are much less reactive, very less reactive, even lesser reactive than a non-metal: copper, mercury, silver, gold, and platinum. These are less reactive metals and these are more reactive metals, and as you come down reactivity go on decreasing. So we can decide by this series which metal is more reactive, which metal is less reactive. And if you forget this series, you can remember it like that. You can see on the right side, please stop calling me a zebra, instead nicely try learning how copper makes silver, gold, and platinum. है ना बेटा, प्लीज पी पोटेशियम, स्टॉप एस सोडियम, कॉलिंग सी कैल्शियम, सी ए कैल्शियम, मी एम मैग्नीशियम, ए एल्यूमिनियम, जेड जिंक, इंस्टेड आई आयरन, नाइसली निकल, ट्राई टिन, learning lead, L for lead, how H hydrogen, copper, already copper, makes M mercury, silver, gold, already platinum is there. So Pranjal, can you see this? If you
Yes,
remember,
sir.
we can write down the whole series, right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
beta. This series will decide whether displacement reaction will take place or not. Okay. Now let us go ahead and see this. There are 5 beakers. Right now you can see in beaker number A, beaker number B, copper sulfate solution is there. In beaker number C, colorless solution of zinc sulfate is there. In copper number D, greenish yellowish solution of iron sulfate is there. So you can see these 5 beakers. Beaker number A, and in beaker number A containing copper sulfate solution, we have put some zinc granules, है ना? जिंक के दाने दाने आते हैं हमारे लैब में. Those have been put in that. Okay. In beaker number B,
Yes, sir.
copper sulfate solution has been taken and put iron nail, है ना? Iron fillings or iron nail has been put. In beaker number C, zinc sulfate solution, which is colorless solution, and copper turnings, है ना? कॉपर को चाकू से अच्छे से स्लैश करते हैं ना, तो उनके चिप्स निकलते हैं बारीक बारीक. They have been put there. And in beaker number D, iron sulfate solution plus copper turnings are added here also. And in beaker number E, zinc sulfate solution taken and iron nail has been put. Now we all know that a more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal from its salt solution. This is called displacement reaction. Now decide whether displacement reaction will take place in beaker number A. In beaker number A, will displacement reaction take place? Pranjal? Yes or no?
Copper sulfate plus zinc granule.
Yeah, plus zinc is there. So will displacement reaction take place? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. For this, we have to decide. See, zinc is there and copper sulfate में copper है. So copper and zinc, which one is more reactive?
Zinc.
Zinc is more reactive.
You can see the reactivity series.
Zinc.
Series देखो आप. Zinc is here. Copper is even below hydrogen. वो तो hydrogen से भी नीचे है, right? So zinc will displace copper. Okay, beta. So this we have to decide. So here in this reaction, copper will be displaced by zinc, and probably what will happen? Zinc will displace copper and it will form zinc sulfate solution, which is colorless, and copper will be coming out of the solution, right? So displacement reaction will be
Yes, sir.
zinc sulfate will be formed and copper will be given out. Okay. In beaker number B, what can you say?
Copper sulfate plus iron nail.
Iron is there. So will displacement reaction take place?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Again, iron
Yes,
is more reactive than copper. So displacement reaction will take place, and I think iron will displace copper and will form iron sulfate, and copper will be coming out. And so iron
Yes,
sulfate is
sir.
green in color, beta. So color of the solution will change from blue to green. Copper sulfate solution is blue color, right? Okay. In beaker number C, what will happen?
So no. Sir,
No.
नहीं होगा.
No, sir.
Copper is less reactive than zinc. है ना बेटा? है ना? You can see that is reactivity series. Copper is here, zinc is there. So copper is less reactive, so it cannot replace zinc from its salt solution. Okay. So see, there will be no reaction. So whenever there is no reaction, write down no reaction. Okay, beta. Similarly, in the figure number D, what will happen?
No,
So no.
No reaction. Because copper is less reactive than iron. In beaker number E,
No reaction.
no reaction. पक्का. Iron or zinc.
Sir, reaction होगा.
Reaction.
So no reaction.
No reaction. देखो भैया, इसीलिए reactivity series याद रखना जरूरी है बेटा. देखो iron और zinc में which is more reactive? Which is on top? Zinc is on top.
Sir, zinc.
है ना? Zinc
Yes,
is more
sir,
reactive.
reaction होगा.
नहीं, iron is less reactive than zinc. Iron है बेटा, नीचे iron है और हमने iron डाला है वहां पर है. हमने zinc का salt लिया है. देखो ध्यान से वहां पर, है ना? We have taken in beaker number E salt of zinc sulfate solution and put iron nail, and iron is less reactive than zinc, so there will be no reaction. हाँ, iron sulfate solution होता और zinc डाला होता, then reaction would have taken place. Okay, so again 1 2 3 4 fifth reaction. See, zinc sulfate plus iron, there will be no reaction. And you can see the another figure, the color changes taking place. In beaker number A, let's see what is happening. The solution of copper sulfate is little bit vanishing and is becoming colorless. because zinc sulfate is formed, which is colorless solution, and copper is coming down. देखो यहाँ पर आपको reddish brown metal दिख रहा होगा, नीचे copper बैठ रहा है. In test number A, beaker number B, C, copper sulfate solution was blue, but it has turned to green, right? Because iron sulfate is formed. So taken place, and in C, D, and E, no reaction, no change. जो कलर सॉल्यूशन का था वही कलर देखो दिख रहा है आपको, है ना. कंपेयर करेंगे, पहला फिगर से देखिए, देखिए है ना.
यस
इसमें जैसा कलर था वैसा ही था, और इन दोनों में कलर चेंज हुआ.
Yes,
ये
sir.
कलरलेस की तरफ जा रहा था और ये ग्रीन कलर का हो गया था बेटा, है ना. So I think displacement reaction. Okay. So before we discuss questions, let me give you Google form, right? So be ready. Yeah. Can you now see me? Okay, beta.
yes sir,
Now,
yes sir.
now I'm going to send you the link. Okay. And link, there goes the link. Okay, let me copy it. Yes, Control C, and coming to my chat box. See the chat box, everybody. I'm sending you the link. Here goes the link. Got the link, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, open
Yes,
this
sir.
link. All of you, beta. 23 of you have joined right now. 24 is showing me. Right, all of you, do it. Start doing, beta. 10 minutes time I'll give you. It is 3:22. So at 3:32, it should be over. And if you wish to write down your score, you can write down in the chat box. It doesn't matter how much you are scoring, beta. है ना? It's a practice. At least test yourself. Doing everybody, I think. Anybody is getting problem? I think no. Okay, do it, beta. Only 8 questions are there, I think.
Sir, my account is signed with my brother's email ID.
Oh, why? Then who is speaking? Tell me your name, beta.
Sir, Tanisha.
Your brother's account is there.
Tanisha.
चेंज कर लो ना बेटा, वहीं पर चेंज कर सकते हो आप अकाउंट अपना, है ना. अकाउंट चेंज कर दो सीधा, वहां पर होगा ऑप्शन, है ना. इफ यू कैन चेंज, चेंज इट. Otherwise your brother's name will be displayed there. But right now you have joined with the name Tanisha is showing here. This difficulty takes place actually. Okay, you write your name there. Accepting or not form? Tanisha? Form is opened or not?
Sir, my also brother's name is coming.
So doesn't matter beta. You write your name there. नाम लिखना है ना? Write your name. Write your name. Open it. Solve the questions. मैं आपके भाई के नाम से समझ जाऊंगा तुम्हें. अगर तुम्हारा नाम नहीं दिखाया फॉर्म में तो मैं समझ लूंगा कि चलो ठीक है, तनिषा को भी मान लूंगा. देवांशु नाम है ना भैया का. Udit Jain has left. What happened, Udit? Good beta. Enjoying the questions? वीडियो ऑन कर लो बेटा, एक दो तीन लोग, सभी लोग है ना अपना अपना, सो दैट आई कैन सी यू व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, है ना। स्विच ऑन योर वीडियो। Pranjal, Tanisha, switch on your video if you can right now. Okay, Radhika has done. Yes, Pranjal, very good. Radhika has done, Adesha has done, Akshat has also done. Very good. Still we are having some
Sir,
time
it is
for
asking for password.
password. Rehan, Tanisha,
Sir, Tanisha.
password is not required, beta, because you are already in the, and I have not made the form like that so that it will ask for password. है ना? You join again. पासवर्ड मांगता होगा तो फिर भाई को पासवर्ड देना पड़ेगा, या अपना अपना डाल के देखो पासवर्ड, जो तुम्हारा पासवर्ड है ना बेटा, वो डाल के देखो। तनिषा, एंटर योर पासवर्ड और योर ब्रदर्स पासवर्ड। Others has also done. Okay, doing all others. Shivani Mahato left the meeting. What happened to Shivani? Who is joined right now? Good. Solve beta. We have to make a habit of solving online questions, online using Google Forms, right? And those who are not able to do, I will send the link in your class group, है ना? And you will have to do. Second time you cannot do. Once you have done, it will be done.
सर
Yes, बेटा, जवान।
सर वो मैंने गलती से अपना नाम गलत डाल दिया उसमें से वो
अच्छा, चलो कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है। क्या नाम डाला?
सर वो पता नहीं ई की जगह सी हो गया गलती से।
अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं, समझ मैं अंडरस्टूड हो जाएगा। अभी मैं दिखाता हूँ ना आपका स्कोर। पीरियोडिक टेस्ट that will be, है ना, declare, and we have to make the habit, periodic test or unit test, whatever. Okay beta, still whatever you are doing, it's being recorded, है ना? You know, these are a part of internal assessment beta, है ना? While we are studying, we are also doing. Rudraksh has done also 13 out of 15. Very good, Rudraksh. I have also done. Shriyans, write your score. Doesn't matter, if you don't want to write, don't write. Very nice. Okay, good. 10 matter beta. Scoring less. देखो, failures only indicate that preparation for success was not proper. है ना बेटा? अगर हम असफल होते हैं तो असफलता केवल यही कहती है बार बार कि सफलता का प्रयत्न, सफलता का प्रयास पूरे मन से नहीं हुआ। थोड़ा हमारा मन थोड़ा अस्थिर था, इस वजह से, है ना? सो अपने आप को पहले वहाँ संयत करने की जरूरत है। मन को ठीक करो पहले, एंड अटेंड द क्लासेज, आस्क द क्वेश्चंस यू हैव डाउट, एंड देन यू विल फाइंड दैट एवरीथिंग विल बी ओके। है ना। सो टेस्ट का मतलब यही होता है, अपने आप को हम जांच रहे हैं कि कितना हम सीख पाए। ऑल ऑफ यू आर डूइंग, आई होप 3:30 it is. Shall we stop now? Pranjal, है ना, कृष्णा is also done.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, let me show you the result. देखो मैं रिजल्ट दिखा रहा हूँ. So I'll have to present first ना, present now. Okay. Again I am presenting. And what can you see on the screen? Pranjal, can you see a Google Sheet?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, you can see here, name is there. It is my name on the top because I have tested first whether my form is working or not, right? And
Yes, sir.
I have got full marks. You know, because I have made the questions, right? So it doesn't matter. मुझे हटा दो आप यहाँ से. देखो यहाँ पर नाम सबका मिल रहा है. देखो निकुंज का है, राधिका, देशा, and I think all of you have done. And many have not tried. Better try everybody. है ना. देखो your score is there and your answer also reflected this side. जो आंसर आपने दिया है वो आंसर मिल रहा है हमें, है ना. हम आपके नाम को अल्फाबेटिकली अरेंज भी कर सकते हैं. मोनिका ऑल्सो ज्वाइन, है ना. ये नहीं हो पाएगा, कर सकते हैं. इधर है, ये गूगल शीट है ना. राइट, बाद में करेंगे इसका. You can see your score right now. मतलब I can show you your score then and there. How much you have scored, right? And those who scored less, please revise the chapter once again, beta. है ना? Revise the questions once again. Let me show you my question, if possible. Google Drive. This is the question, I think. Okay, beta. Can you see this, Pranjal?
Yes, sir.
So देखो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था, आप बताते हैं ना प्रांजल, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ मेटल. बोलो बेटा.
Sulfur.
सल्फर.
Sulfur.
वीडियो दिखाई थी. अच्छा देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 था हमारा, द सब्सटेंस दैट विल बी फ्लैटेंड ऑन बीटिंग विद अ हैमर. और मेटल होना चाहिए उसको,
Sir,
है ना.
zinc brand.
जिंक ग्रेन्यूल मेटल है, बाकी सब नॉन मेटल देखो है ना. तो ये लॉजिक डेवलप करनी पड़ेगी. Which of the following property is not responsible for copper to be used as electrical conduction wire? इलेक्ट्रिकल वायर बनाने के लिए कॉपर का कौन प्रॉपर्टी?
कलर कलर
कलर मतलब नहीं है. डक्टिलिटी से मतलब वायर बनाना पड़ेगा. गुड कंडक्टर होने तभी जाएगा, सॉलिड होगा तभी काम आएगा हमारा. Generally, metallic oxides are basic and non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. We know that. Solution of which of the following oxides in water will change the color of blue litmus to red? Means acidic oxide होना चाहिए, blue to red हो रहा है. और एसिड कौन बनाता है? नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड्स आर एसिडिक इन नेचर. तो नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड कौन है? आयरन ऑक्साइड मेटल का है, ये मैग्नीशियम मेटल है, कॉपर मेटल है, ये
Sulfur.
सल्फर
Sulfur dioxide.
Okay. Which of the following non-metals reacts and catches fire on exposure to air? Phosphorus.
Phosphorus.
The metal which produces hydrogen gas on reaction with dilute hydrochloric acid as well as sodium hydroxide solution. मैंने बताया था reaction of metal with bases. इसमें मैंने बताया था कि एल्यूमिनियम जो है that reacts with sodium hydroxide, freshly prepared sodium hydroxide solution. मैंने कहा भी था घर में एक्सपेरिमेंट करना है. ये वाला साबुन, रिन साबुन या जो भी ऐसा स्ट्रॉन्ग जो बेसिक साबुन है ना बेटा, कपड़े साफ करने वाला, उसमें डालना एल्युमिनियम का फॉइल जो है वो डाल के देखना, गैस निकलेगी. बलून लगा कर देखना, गैस जमा करना और गैस को उड़ाने की कोशिश करना, बलून को आराम से उड़ेगा. तो आंसर क्या होगा? एल्युमिनियम. Aluminium reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to give hydrogen gas. It also reacts with freshly prepared sodium hydroxide solution. है ना बेटा? तो which of the following reacts with cold water? कौन करेगा?
Sodium.
Sodium. Very good. Metals are generally hard, but which one of the cut with the help of knife?
Sodium. Sodium.
आपने देखा था, है ना बेटा? Okay. So let me come to my PPT now. Okay, so now see the exercise questions, beta. We are having 5 minutes questions in the chapter and exercise. You can see your book also. Okay. Question number 1 is which of the following can be beaten into thin sheets? क्या होगा आंसर?
Zinc.
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 Zinc. Okay. Question number 2. Which one of the following statements is correct?
Generally metal are
Generally metal.
Yeah, option number C.
so generally metal.
Ductile. Right? Now you can see, just I am giving you, showing you, है ना? You can write in your own way also. See question number 3 from the blanks, and after doing you can check your answer like this. Okay. If you have any question, ask me in the next class. Next class, I'll begin next chapter. Chapter number which one? 5.
5.
5.
Yeah.
Petroleum.
So
Coal
coal and
petroleum.
petroleum.
And petroleum.
ओके बेटा, तो देख के आना आप लोग, अगले क्लास में वही पढ़ाऊंगा. देखो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, properties are given and what happens to metals and non metals. So appearance में metals have metallic luster, non metals are dull. Hardness, metals are hard, non metals are generally soft and brittle. Malleability, yes, metals are malleable, non metals non malleable. Ductility, yes, ductile, non ductile. Heat conduction, yes, good conductor of heat. If they are bad conductors of heat, electricity, yes, good conductor, here bad conductor or insulator बोलते हैं. Right? Question number 4, 6, give reasons for. Very very important question बेटा. इस क्वेश्चन के आगे VVI लगा दो. All questions give reasons. साइंस में रीजन देना हमें आना चाहिए. Right? So you can see the answers. Right? Since we are having less time, that's why I'm not reading the answer. Right? You can read later on also by clicking the video sent. And beta, any question which I should discuss here out of the 4?
Sir, B.
Question number 3. B. B बेटा.
Yes,
इमर्सन रॉड किसको बोलते हैं? पहले देखो, आप लोग पहले पानी जब गर्म करते हैं ना, ठंड के दिनों में नहाने से पहले एक रॉड होती है अपने घर में, उस रॉड को प्लग में लगाकर पानी में डाल देते हैं, पानी को टच नहीं करते हैं, तो धीरे धीरे पानी गर्म होता है, उस रॉड को बोलते हैं इमर्सन रॉड. ये आप नहीं समझ पा रहे होंगे इसीलिए, है ना बेटा? तो ये किसका बना होना चाहिए, मेटल का या नॉन मेटल का बना होना चाहिए?
metal. So metal.
नहीं तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट नहीं करेगा. एक्चुअली जब हम पानी में डालते हैं ना, जब स्विच ऑन करते हैं बेटा, तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्लो होती है पानी में, है ना? और पानी हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन में ब्रेक डाउन होता है, बट इन दिस प्रोसेस सो मच हीट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड एंड दैट मेक्स वाटर वेरी हॉट, और फिर हम उससे स्नान करते हैं. बट रिमेंबर, उस समय पानी को टच नहीं करना है, अदरवाइज यू विल गेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी शॉक, है ना बेटा? इसका आंसर है बिकॉज मेटल्स आर गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, दैट्स व्हाई यूज्ड. Okay, question number 7. Can you store lemon pickle in aluminum utensil? We have discussed earlier also. No, we cannot store. Lemon contain pickle contain acid, which will react with aluminum utensil and give hydrogen gas. And moreover, salts of aluminum are formed, which are toxic in nature. You can match it. Gold, jewelry, iron, machinery. All machines are made. Aluminum, wrapping food. कार्बन विल बी यूज एज फ्यूल, जलाने के लिए काम में लाते हैं हम. कॉपर, इलेक्ट्रिक वायर, मर्क्यूरी इन थर्मोमीटर्स. व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन, दिस इज आल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पे लगा था VVI, एक क्वेश्चन जरूर आएगा एग्जाम में, कैसा भी एग्जाम हो. व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन dilute sulfuric acid is poured on a copper plate? Copper is below hydrogen, so it will not react, no reaction. B, iron nails are placed in copper sulfate solution. We have seen it. Displacement reaction will take place and solution will become green in color, forming iron sulfate, and copper will be coming out. ये देखो, सलोनी took a piece of burning charcoal. एक चारकोल का टुकड़ा लिया सलोनी ने और उसको जलाया, गैस को कलेक्ट किया एक गैस जार में या टेस्ट ट्यूब में, और उसके बाद उसको नेचर को टेस्ट करना है, whether the gas is acidic, basic or neutral. So what can she do? She can do what? She can put 2 drops of water in the test tube. She will shake it and she will bring blue and red litmus paper one by one. If it change blue to red, it is acidic in nature. If it will change red to blue, it will be basic in nature. Right? And what are the chemical equations going on? What equation बोल रहा है? हमने chemical equation में लिखा है कार्बन प्लस ऑक्सीजन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, and carbon dioxide when dissolved in water it will form carbonic acid. दो चीज सलोनी कर सकती है, या तो टेस्ट ट्यूब में पानी डाले या लिटमस पेपर को ही गीला कर दे, वो है ना, मॉइस्ट करके ले जाए वहां पर, तब भी रिजल्ट आ जाएगा बेटा। कार्बोनिक एसिड बना, एसिड है, इट विल टर्न ब्लू लिटमस इनटू रेड बोलेगा, व्हिच मींस द गैस कलेक्टेड इज एसिडिक इन नेचर, है ना। दिस क्वेश्चन जो हमने बात किया था एक्वा रेजिया का। One day Rita went to a jeweler shop with her mother. Her mother gave an old gold jewelry to the goldsmith to polish. Next day when they brought the jewelry back, they found that there was a slight loss in its weight. This is the reason for the loss in weight. So jeweler ने क्या किया होगा, नॉर्मल एसिड से साफ नहीं किया होगा, उसने क्या कर दिया, उसने the gold jewelry is dipped into an acidic solution called aqua regia. उसने aqua regia में डाल दिया।
Yes.
Dipping the gold jewelry in aqua regia, the outer layer of gold dissolves and the inner shiny layer appears. This causes a slight loss in its weight. थोड़ा सा गोल्ड जो है तो डिजॉल्व हो गया बेटा, इसलिए लॉस हो गया, राइट। थैंक्स।
Yes, sir.
We have done it very nicely, right? And you all are having no doubt also, so it's very good. Let me stop presenting, and now let us join our hands for Shanti part. Okay? Come on. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram. Actually, when we do Vayu Omkaram,
Sairam sir.
Omkaram का मतलब होता है हम God को, हाँ, okay बेटा.
Sairam.
Let me stop recording. Yeah.